I'm at the Meadowview Resort and Conference Center, Meadowview Convention Center and Resort. Using my Insta360. It's very windy, so main things I'm just testing the video. I'm shooting 4K 60. Standard video mode. This is not a pure video mode, low light. I'm just testing my little camera. I know the wind, and I thought the wind was worse on this than it is the GoPro cameras, but it's not, because I used my GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini earlier, and it was picking up wind just as bad at the house. Legs are flapping in the wind, so here we are. And I'm not going to walk down that way. I'm going to walk this way and walk back towards the road. It's always beautiful here. See, sun is set in the western horizon. The Meadowview Resort and Convention Center, or if you want to, you can call it the Meadowview Conference Center and Resort. Meadowview Convention Center and Resort. I think that's the way it's titled. If you look it up, right here off of Meadowview Parkway in Loveland, Kingsport, Tennessee. These are beautiful trees. I need to look these up. I thought these are dogwoods. These are not. Sonia was calling them some other kind of trees. I figured this would be cool footage walking down through here. I'm sure the wind is going to ruin the video, so I need to get me a wireless mic for my cameras. So the main thing, I'm just testing the video, see how it looks. It's last 3 days was like spring. Today's over the last 3 hours, we have turned off to last 4 days was like spring. Yesterday, Sunday, we started having cool front coming in yesterday evening about 6:37, and today, over the last 4 hours, it's really gotten cold. It's like winter now. I mean, I'm freezing with my army coat on. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I've got this heavy-duty camouflage coat on, and I'm cold with this coat on. This is a heavy-duty coat. I need gloves on it, so cold. We'll walk back towards the roadway. Plenty of areas to park over here. See, this is a big place, the Meadowview Convention Center and Resort. Big place. They got the Cattails Public Golf over there on that building. You got the Marriott Hotel, the Convention Center, Marriott Hotel. Then down here, that's the Marriott Hotel. All the way to the left, that way, is the Cattails Public Golf Course, golf shop. You got a grill room in there / restaurant or something. It's beautiful. Woo! I'm not going to shoot a long video. This is just a little test run. I was going to film over across the road at the HMG Medical Office Complex in the back and walk down the sidewalk back to Meadowview, this parkway. But they had a bunch of people over there at the doctor's office, the HMG building. That's the one I used to go to. Now I go to HMG on Stone Drive. But over here is public, so they're not going to say anything about your filming. Over there is actually private property. This is open to the public. There's somebody over there on the green now. See them? This is the front entrance. It's a beautiful place. Just that video where, what was it, 2 months ago, where I filmed all the snow. Meadow View. And this right here is Meadow View Parkway. So little creek, it runs through here. So I had it right the first time I set it over there at the where my car was parked. It's called the Meadow View Conference Resort and Convention Center. A lot of times I can't get it right. And of course at the bottom it says the Marriott Conference Center, Marriott Hotel. The Meadows is the restaurant. Cattails at Meadows. Cattails is the golf course. And of course the Meadows is the restaurant. Cattails is the golf. It's open to the public. So if anybody wants to come over here and play golf. 18 rounds of golf, nine front, 9 back, yes, like any other golf course. Little creek is running. Right, so here we have it. It's really windy, so I'll probably go ahead and stop the video because the wind's going to run the footage anyway. The sun has set in the western horizon. Beautiful sunset, wouldn't you agree? I say they're speeding. Speed limit's on like 35. They're running about 60. And over here is the Eastman Credit Union. On the back side is HMG office building, medical office building. I was going to walk over there, like I said. They're doing construction out here. You can see some little bobcats and little backhoe. Over here, look like they're doing some landscaping at the Eastman Credit Union. Like I said, the back side is HMG Medical Office Building. It's way back there. This is the building right here is the Eastman Credit Union. I can see a bobcat and a small backhoe. Somebody's doing some landscaping. They always keep that terrain over there looking very beautiful. And also over here, whoever does this does an outstanding job. Wouldn't you agree? Alright, I'm going to walk back towards the car. Look at that beautiful weeping willow, I guess. I'm going to walk back towards the car. Thanks for walking along with me, my friends. It's like winter. I'm cold. How's the weather in your neck of the woods? We went from spring back to winter. Of course, I live in East Tennessee in the mountains, and that's how it is. But even here, where I live in East Tennessee and Northeast Tennessee, it might be in April's always cold here too. I mean, we might warm up 65, 60, 70, but at night it's still like 35, 40 degrees here in April. Anywhere from, in April, anywhere from like 24 at night to 40. You never know, because we're right here in the mountains. At night here in East Tennessee and Kingsport, it's cold at night all the way to the first week of June, to about June the 7th, June the 8th. We are cold at night. Yeah, even like in May and June, we dip down in the, you know, anywhere from upper 20s to around 40 at night, even in June. Because being in this mountainous terrain, that's why. The landscape, the environment, you know, the mountain weather changes back and forth. We really do not have any warm nights until at least the middle of July here. And still it's not really in middle of July. We're talking like 50. So if you want to call that warm, 50, 55 sometimes. Maybe 60. But like I said, even all the way up to about the middle of June, the nights are still usually cool here. Let me spit it out. Throat's a little dry, but I appreciate everybody walking along with me. I hope you've enjoyed this little video. This will be my last test of my walking with my Insta360 Action Pro. I've been trying to decide if I want to keep it. I've got 2 days left, but if I do carry it back to Best Buy, you have to pay a $45 restocking fee. And I paid $449 for this camera, plus tax. It came out like $482, I think it was, $483, I think. Thanks for walking along. I appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe as always. Be happy, positive, focused. Stay away from negative people. They're like sour lemons. Always try to do the right thing, even when nobody's looking, even when no one's looking. How's the weather in your neck of the woods? Is it went from spring to winter? We had relatively warm days for the last 4 days. We even got up in like 4 days ago, like 74. I don't know what it is now, but if I had to guess, feels like it's probably about 45 degrees out here. I think tonight's supposed to be down in the 20s and tomorrow. So I love everybody. I might go home and cook me a half-pound burger on the grill, Black Angus. I've got 4 big half-pound beef patties. I've got to leave here and go pick up a pizza for Sonia at a Papa John's. She bought her a pizza, breadsticks, cheesy bites, and something else. But I'll probably be cooking me a burger on the grill. We're inside. It's so cold. Love everybody. First time watching, please subscribe. If you've already been subscribed to my channel, and please be sure to leave those comments down below, everybody. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Stay happy, and like I said, stay positive, stay focused. Enjoy the moment. We can't get these 24 hours back. I will see you all on down the road in the next video. Be kind to people. Tell someone you love them. Have a wonderful evening. Might as well say night. It'll be night in about 30-35 minutes here. Love everybody. Until next time, I'll see you on down the road in the next video. Have a wonderful night.